They try to act like it's a strange thing, the way I talk about those small planes flying low and circling over my house. But I can't be the only one noticing those damn small planes flying over my house, making sound so loud. I can't think, and I don't know why, but they keep circling around. Somebody tell me what that's all about. I'm telling you now, those small planes flying over my house, and they come and go whenever they please, and I don't know what it means, but it's driving me insane. Those small planes, low-flying airplanes, friends think that I'm crazy, but I see them, I swear, on some nights, and it's almost like they're looking for me, like they've got me in their sights. Those damn small planes flying over my can't think, and I don't know why, but they keep circling around. Somebody tell me what that's all about. I'm telling you now, those small planes flying over my house, and they come and go whenever they please, and I don't know what it means, but it's driving me insane. Those small planes, low-fly airplanes.